All right, yeah, we got a lower body here. We got a 12-minute hitter. I was trying to keep them 10-minute little hitters. The math just didn't really work out. But we got a few exercises, and what we're gonna do is do 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off. First exercise is a bodyweight squat, all right? And then we got let's do one of each, I guess. Just a normal bodyweight squat. And the second one is a jump squat for the second 30-minute burst. And then we got a reverse lunge, stepping back. And then we just got a normal split squat. So the whole 30 seconds, you're gonna stay on one leg, which is way harder than I thought it was gonna be. Then we got a pendulum lunge. All that means is one leg's gonna be moving back and forward through the lunge. One of those on each leg. And then we got a scissor hop. Just make sure you're not getting any valgus in the angle or anything crazy, and you can modify if you can't do one of them. You know, if you can do a split squat, not a pendulum, safely, stay with that one. And then we just got a scissor hop, so we're just gonna explode up and switch, all right? So get a stopwatch, get whatever you got. 30 seconds of an exercise, 15 seconds off. 30 seconds of an exercise, 15 seconds off is 3 minutes. So we'll do that progression down. I'll write it down so it's easier to follow. And then we're just gonna do 2 rounds through it. Works out to be 12 minutes. Honestly, my legs kind of feel like sausages that are about to be bursted on the grill right now. So I enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys did too. Hit me up with, please subscribe. Hit that like button. It helps me in the algorithm. Also, if you have other videos you want me to hit, just go ahead and comment below. Peace.
I got some serious burn action happen by keeping the rest periods low, a little lactic acid forming in that muscle. Have to deal with that. I'm trying to assume that everybody does not have weights, but if you do, you can progress by adding weight, or you can speed up the rate that you're doing the exercises, all right? So progress or regress as you need to. Then stay true to the recovery periods and hit 2 rounds of this, and you should be awesome. Coming at you soon with more misery, folks.